Gino Padilla and Randy Santiago. And yeah, our parents talk about
Parents na.
Ano pa yan? Long playing pa? Yung...
Totoo, long playing pa.
Long play. We started with that. Long playing.
Magaganda naman ang sinabi ng parents niyo tungkol sa amin.
Maganda naman po.
Lalo kay Kuya Randy, no?
Hindi.
Yung mabait dyan si Kuya Randy.
Our biggest hits in the 80s, akin was Nag-isang Ikaw. Naalala mo, araw-araw na lang ay naghihintay yun. Gino, ito siya
Mine
biggest
is,
hit.
well, Closer You and I.
I get to touch you.
And Randy, marami.
Hindi, tsaka yun mga gusto kita. Di ba?
Yeah, they revive that. Gusto kita. Tapos yung Let the Love Begin.
Sa'yo po yun. Wow.
Kilala mo, nire-revive yun.
Si Bugoy nakagano'n lang.
Okay.
Ako naman, when the very first song I recorded was Hindi Magbabago, 1986-87. So after that, ginawa ko na yung Babaero, pagkatapos yung mga paikot-ikot, Damdamin Para Sa'yo, etc. etc.
Yung ka-time ng hit na, naalala mo yung kanta ni Timmy Cruz, yung I Love You Boy, I Love You Boy. Ka-time na nag-hit, talagang monster hit.
It's a good thing yung mga kanta natin nare-revive na rin for this year.
Yeah, basically, yun, nakilala. It's either nakilala sa composition o kaya sa kanta. Ako naman, I started my career 1986 with this commercial with Tina Turner.
Pepsi.
That was Pepsi. So, that was the time na hindi pa nila masyadong kilala yung mga Filipinos. They can sing well, you know. Kasi nga sinasabi nila na sa Asia, tayo rin may soul. Kaya nakikita namin ngayon yun dito.
Yeah.
Ang galing nyo kasi.
So during that time, habang sumisikat kami, Gino Padilla with Tina Turner, nako, competition! You know, parang gano'n. Pero at the end of the day, we're all friends naman. Diba?
Talo ako eh. Ako nag-iisa. I belong sa Pepsi before. Silang dalawa sa Coke. Ayun, so magkalaban.
So minsan-minsan lang kami were able to work together kasi nga Pepsi siya, kami ni Randy, Coke, ganyan. Kasama nila Marty, Paris.
Same thing with you guys. Kaya syempre, individually magagaling kayo at nakikita natin yung galing nyo. So, ini-enhance lang eventually, syempre, through the course of your, ito nga PDA, na tinuturuan bawat isa sa inyo, marami kayong matututunan dahil ang gagaling talaga ng mga teachers na binibigay sa inyo. Ewan nga, bakit kami pinadala eh.
Kami na naman, we'll share yung my experience.
Si teacher mo, kasama namin yan. We started like, sa Kundirana, magkakasama kami nila Gary B.
Si Sir Monet.
Sir Monet kasama namin.
Ang galing ng grupong.
Alam yung bansag sa kanya before when we were all starting. Kasi siya ang pinaka-gwapo, siya ang pinaka-matangkad sa grupo nila. He's Russian. Ang tawag sa kanya, Gentle Giant. I don't know if he's so gentle. Just stricto siya. Pero syempre tinuturo sa inyo yung talagang pinakatama at foolproof na, na technique na ma-apply nyo sa stage.
When we were starting, during our years back, 30 years ago, hindi kasi nung nag-umpisa ako, grade school eh. So, nung mga tinuturo, paano, di ba, yung mga technique, paano saan kinukuha yung hangin, grade school, grade school, songsters, Lasaging Hills songsters, until high school, nagkundirana kami. Doon nanggaling sila Gary, sila Ogie, sila... Sino ba nanggaling?
Puro Lasal to eh.
Siyempre.
Talo ka.
So, yun. So, yung technique on how to project, in other words. Later on, we'll be teaching yung paano yung projection, yung kakayanin lang namin ba ituro.
All of you ba, like Randy, kayo ba all of you joined a glee club or what? All of you ba came from that at some point? Because yung case ko naman different. Never ako kumakanta noon. Until I was like 11, 12. Never ako nag-join ng glee club or yung Dulaang Sibol sa Ateneo. And then suddenly, it just fell. Minsan may ganyan, yun yung swerte mo, no? Minsan yung mga ayaw maging artista or singer, you just become suddenly. So that's what happened to me. Nag-aaral ako noon sa States, tapos na-discover ako ni Cecil Asarcon. Kilala niyo si Cecil Asarcon? One of the best composers we've ever had.
Yes.
Siya nag-compose ng Ikaw ang Lahat sa Akin, Hits of Who. Randy, I actually composed for you. Raymond Lauchenko, So It's You. Oo, yun. Saan naka-discover sa akin? So I had the voice na, and doon pa lang I was taking up business management, and then biglang, bakit parang God was like, pushing me to a different